Diana Jenkins hires 24/7 security, but why? And does she actually need it? Everything about it we are gonna tell you in this video. So without wasting any time, let's get begin. Diana has hired around the clock security after receiving alleged death threats from Bravo fans. Diana's team of security experts advised her to hire for personal bodyguard as they believe credible death threats have been made. A source close to the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star tells us. The bodyguard are 24/7. The insider adds she's taking every precautions she can protect herself and her family. In an Instagram post, she wrote, "I have been accused of instigating the hateful of inexcusable cyberbullying of Garkel's sons. Nothing could be further from the truth. I have stood for human rights my whole life. There is no place for hate in this world." So let's know about the second news, that is about Charlie Sheen. Charlie Sheen has settled a lawsuit filed by an ex in which she claimed the actor knowingly exposed her to HIV. Per TMZ, she has reportedly been awarded $120,000 in the deal. Charlie Sheen has settled a lawsuit filed by an ex in which she claimed the actor knowingly exposed her to HIV. It eventually came out in 2016 that Sheen had knowingly exposed at least 25 sexual partners to HIV without informing them that she was a carrier of the virus, arguing that he didn't have sex with them unprotected. And here is the next news is about Britney Spears. Britney Spears has dropped at another nude snap on social media. Her first scene, the released of Elton John dude Hold Me Closer. She shared the snap via Twitter Friday afternoon. She looks into the camera as she holds her braids in her hands while sitting on the edge of the tube in front of a window with only a sheet cover of her lower body. So the next news is about Olivia Wilde. Olivia Wilde begged Shia LaBeouf to stay on Don't Worry Darling in a video that leaked Friday, just 2 days after the director claimed she had fired the movie's former lead. And immediately Sweetie Wilde spoke while driving in the 2020 selfie video, explaining to LaBeouf that she had just been riding a horse. "I think this might be a bit of a wake-up call for Miss Flo, and I want to know if you are open to giving his a shot with me." With us, she said if she really puts her mind and her heart into it at this point, and if you guys can make peace. And I respect your point of view, I respect hers, but if you guys can do it, what do you think? Wilde continued. So the next news is about Naomi Judd's suicide. Tragic details surrounding Naomi Judd that have been revealed. An autopsy report from the Nashville Medical Examiner office confirmed that Judd died by suicide after being found unresponsive in her home by family. She had an apparent self-inflicted gunshot wound and was transported to Williamson Medical Center, where she was pronounced dead shortly after arrival. The document also states Judd's cause of death was suspected to be a suicide within days of country superstar death, given her public battle with mental health. And the next news is about Michelle Branch. The domestic assault case brought against Michelle Branch by her estranged husband Patrick Carney has been dismissed during a court appearance Wednesday. Judge Gail Robinson dropped the Everywhere singer charge of domestic assault by offensive provocative conduct at the request of the state of Tennessee. Court records seen by us. The reason listed for the dismissal was that both parties had reached a settlement. So that's it for today. If you want to keep yourself updated with the latest news from the heart of Hollywood, make sure to like the video, comment down your view, and subscribe to our channel for more. Peace out.